This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Teresa Ashbury. Immaculate Custom built home with over 3,300 square feet of living space overlooking Queens Creek with 336 feet of waterfront. The open floor plan offers views of the creek from every room in the home. Charming front porch with Trex Decking. Large deck overlooking the creek from the living room and PMB. This home features 10 feet ceilings, hardwood and tile floors throughout. First floor primary bedroom, large utility room, sunroom, second bedroom or office.Elegant U-shaped semi-curved staircase with solid hardwood treads and banister leading to the second floor with 2 bedrooms that have forward attic for storage or turn that pace into baths giving you 3 PMB. New HVAC was installed in 2016 and 2017. Hot water heater is heated by an oil furnace giving you an immediate unlimited supply of hot water. The home was wired for a generator. Outside features include a large 2-story 3-car detached garage, workshop, boathouse, pier with water, and electric with 4 to 6 feet of water. Have a large boat needing storage. Queens Creek Marina is nearby. Home is being sold as is. Whereas for more information, review the details below.